What if I told you you never have to edit the same content on 20 pages again? Today I will show you how to connect Elementor with ACF and turn your site into a dynamic system. This is one of the most powerful skills for anyone building scalable websites. We will build a dynamic layout where content is managed in WordPress, design stays in Elementor, and client can edit everything without breaking design. For this, after installing Elementor, search for plugin advanced custom fields and install it. To understand this better, we are creating small dynamic system for coaching website. So for that I am going into ACF. Here I am creating new field group, upcoming courses. I want to show upcoming courses dynamically. So now this is the main field group and I want to add small parts, or you can say small section of that field group. So first let's add course name. As you add your field label, field name will be automatically created. So that is, you can also put default value. So let me add now I am closing and adding another field. We have added course name. Now let's add image. So I am selecting here field type image. So here we will put course image. So I am selecting here image URL. So whatever URL I will put, it will grab that image. Now next field I am adding course detail. So for that I am selecting text area. You can check out various type of fields here. So let's add content type WY editor. So here it will be post text. So that's our field group with name, image and details. Now next step is to add content. You go to any page or post and you will see your new fields. Now this is where clients will edit everything. Now you want these fields to be shown on particular page or post, that you can also set with the rules. Now integration is the magic part. In Elementor, select any widget, click dynamic tags and choose your ACF field. Now your design is connected to your real data. So let's put a sample data and let's preview the page. So I'm here adding course name, data analysis, uploading relevant image and some so client needs to edit in these sections only, so designs won't be disturbed if there is a complications in design. In a post I am adding Elementor widget which is connected to dynamic tags ACF field. So title we have already put, let's put image. Let's connect the image with our ACF image field. That is a course image. Let's add our, let's connect this field with our course detail. Okay, so now this part has become dynamic. So we have created this small system. Now let's make it more complicated. Let's say we have more option to show. So for that we have to put individual ACF field and we need to set it on each page. But what about automation? Suppose we have 10 blocks and we want to show these upcoming workshops on each 10 blocks and we want to add it at one place only. So for that we will use loop grid or loop carousel. So I'm showing you quickly how to use both. After creating required fields, I'm going into the post where I'm giving access to add data. So first I'm putting all the required data here. So I want to show 3 courses which will be updated frequently. So I'm adding those data. Now I have added all data. So client will update this. Now we want to show this data on multiple pages. So for that we are creating a common element with loop element. So I'm creating one loop element in a theme builder. Now in a loop element I am applying all the details, that is a course name, image and details. So I have added name, image, assigning dynamic field. Let's say I want to show details as well. So for that let's add text editor, and here I am assigning dynamic tag. Now once my loop item design is ready, structure is ready, I am going into the page or post, anywhere I want to show, I will just add that loop item. So I am dragging here loop grid and I am applying latest loop item. So this is how my dynamic structure is ready. Similar way, this is a loop grid. Similar way you can create loop carousel. So this is how final output looks like. So whenever I want to show upcoming courses or in workshop, I need to call that a loop item, which is attached to our real data. So this is a small dynamic system. You can make it more complicated as per your requirement. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.